Hey everyone. So in this video, I'll show you how to recover a hacked Gmail account if someone changed your password, email, or locked you out. Yeah, this full guide for 2026 will help you get your account back. First, go to Google's official account recovery page, enter your Gmail address, and start the recovery process right away. When asked about the problem, choose the option that says someone else is using your account. This tells Google your Gmail may be hacked. Now Google will ask a few questions to verify it's really you. Answer as accurately as you can. Old passwords, recovery email, or phone number, all help here. Make sure you're doing this on a secure device and a trusted internet connection. Avoid public Wi-Fi because, yeah, that can cause recovery to fail. If Google lets you back in, reset your password immediately. Choose a strong, unique password you've never used before. After recovery, check your security settings, remove unknown devices, review recent activity, and update your recovery email and phone number. To protect your account in the future, enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent hacking. And yeah, that's how to recover a hacked Gmail account in 2026. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next guide.